In the heart of the quantum revolution, one man dared to suggest that matter itself behaves like a silent, invisible wave. Born into French nobility in 1892, Louis de Broglie did not start as a scientist. He was a student of history. But the influence of his brother Maurice, an experimental physicist, pulled him toward the mysteries of the subatomic world. During the Great War, Louis served at the Eiffel Tower, working with radiotelegraphy, learning the language of waves. When the war ended, he returned to Paris with a radical question. If light could be a particle, could an electron be a wave? It contained a formula that would change physics forever: the de Broglie wavelength. He proposed wave-particle duality, the idea that everything we consider solid is actually a vibration. His professors were baffled. A wave of matter? It seemed impossible, almost like science fiction. They sent his work to Albert Einstein. Einstein read it and remarked, "He has lifted a corner of the great veil." Einstein's support gave Louis the platform he needed. The world began to listen to the Prince of Waves. But theory needs proof. In 1927, researchers Davisson-Germer accidentally proved Louis right. They saw electrons create a diffraction pattern, a behavior reserved only for waves. The proof was undeniable. For this discovery of the wave nature of electrons, Louis de Broglie was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1929. His work became the foundation for Erwin Schrödinger's wave equation, the heart of quantum mechanics. Without de Broglie's waves, we would never have the electron microscope, a tool that lets us see the building blocks of life. By using electron waves instead of light, we can see things thousands the times smaller than a single cell. Louis challenged our very perception of reality. Is the world solid, or is it a symphony of frequency? He spent his remaining years teaching at the Sorbonne, inspiring generations of physicists to look deeper. Despite his aristocratic titles and worldwide fame, he remained a man of quiet thought and simple habits. He bridged the gap between the classical world of Newton and the strange, new world of Bohr and Heisenberg. Today, his pilot wave theory is still studied by those seeking a more intuitive map of the quantum realm. Louis de Broglie reminded us that in the universe, nothing is as it seems, and every particle has its own song.